have got 2 bags of firecrackers for this 2022 Diwali. We have got literally 2 big bags of firecrackers. So now let's see what I have got for this 2022 Diwali celebrations. Now I'll show you each of the firecracker which I have got. Let's see. So friends, first we have got this color burst firecracker. I have no idea what is this, but they've told that this is the new product in this market, so I've just bought it to test it. So let's keep this aside. And next we have 200 walla firecracker, which is very famous nowadays, and we have got in the standard company. And next we have got the sparklers, which is one is the crackling sparkler and the other one is the 4-color sparkler. So these were also from the standard company. Let's keep them aside. So next we have got the thunder bombs, which is the very famous and known bomb to everyone. So this is also the standard company. Let me show you. So this is how it looks. Let me keep them aside. We have got still 2 more boxes of the thunder bombs. Next we have the Bijli crackers, which is one from the standard company and the other one is from the Genius company. So we have the Benton logo and the peacock logo on the standard one. And next we have the bullet bomb. So this is my favorite bomb. When I was childhood, I used to play with these bombs on the Diwali. So let's keep them aside. And next we have the hydrogen bomb. So this hydrogen bomb was also the standard company, and this is how it looks. So actually I have got 2 hydrogen bombs. We have the one more one. Next, here comes the big boy, the Hercules. This is the famous and very known bomb in India, and this is also the standards company. So mostly I have took the standard company because the standard company has good durability and also the quality is very good. And next we have the Hitler bomb. You see the Hitler image on the bomb, and this is the Hitler bomb, and it's also the standard company. Here comes the one more big boy, the dinosaur bomb. Look how big is this compared to the standard thunder bomb. Look how big it is. So let's keep it aside. Next we have the rocket bomb now. So this rocket bomb actually goes in the sky and then it will just blast off. That's a good rocket bomb I've ever seen. And next we have the color fountains, which is the very famous and colorful one. This is also the standard company, and this is how it looks. Let me keep it aside. Next we have got the 2-sound bomb. So this 2-sound bomb is my favorite bomb. It actually blasts on the ground and it also go up in the sky and it will blast. So this is also the standard company. And then next we have more sparklers, crackling sparklers, which is the Ramesh companies. This is also the best company for the sparklers and some sort of bombs. And next we have this small bombs which looks like the color fountain, but it's a small color fountain. This looks very amazing. We have two of them. This is also the same, but the another company. Let me keep it aside. So now we have the black serpents tablets. So these were called as the snake tablets. These produce more smoke but more enjoyment also. So next we have the pencils. So these pencils were also colorful and brightful and nice to see. And next we have got the twinkling stars, which were the rope to light the big bombs. And this is how it looks. And this is the Sarganam Fireworks Company. Next we have got the Jamin Chakras Ashoka. So this firecracker is my favorite firecracker when I was in the childhood. And this is also the Standards Company firecracker. So we actually got one more of this. And next they told this is the new item which is launched in the 2022. I don't know what is this, but I just took it to give it a try, and I've just got the full box of this. Let me keep this aside. And next we have more Bijli bombs, which is one of the standard and then the Chinese one. We have got more flower pots. This is the small flower pots when compared to this one, big one, and this is little bit small to this, not little bit, more small to this. Look how big is this one and how small is this one. Alright. And next we have got the flower pot in this specialized box. So these flower pots are very beautiful to see, and this is my favorite firecracker also when I was in the childhood. So here comes the last thing. This is another crackling sparklers, which is also the Standards Company. So that's it, friends. This is my 2022 Diwali stash. So these were all my favorite and my best firecrackers. So I love to fire the bombs. So that's why I've got the more bombs, which is the thunder bombs, the dinosaur bombs, the hydrogen bombs, the Hercules, the Hitler 2 sound, and then the Bijli bombs and the 100 wala. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and also press the bell icon which is beside to the subscribe button. Thank you.